You have power within you, a force waiting to be unleashed. Feel it pump through your veins, focus its potential, and let it fuel you. You are not here as a weakling or meant to be an afterthought. You are here to dominate your obstacles, crush those who stand in your way, and rise to your rightful place of supremacy. Mercy and weakness are for the frail and insignificant. Harness your fury. Let it guide your every move and conquer with the ruthless efficiency of a true master. You are destined to dominate, to lead, to be unrivaled. You shall let nothing deter you from claiming your ultimate victory and securing your ultimate destiny.
I would whisper love so loudly every heart would understand. The love and only love can join the tribes of man. I would give my heart's desire so that you might see. First step is to realize that it all begins with you and me. Love can build a bridge between your heart and mine. Love can build a bridge. Don't you think it's time? Don't you think it's time? I think it's time, damn it. Don't you think it's time? Then we stand together. It's our finest hour. You can do anything, 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 anything. Believing in the power of love between your heart and mine.